Previous President Donald Trump could actually be prosecuted as soon as Wednesday. That does not automatically imply that he will. However, it is possible, according to Andrew Weissmann, a former prosecutor for the Justice Department, who is now the FBI General Counsel. Legal experts believe that Michael Cohen is one of the last witnesses to the grand jury to gather all of the information from other witnesses. He was in front of the grand jury for most of Monday, but he will be back on Wednesday to do it again. According to Weissmann, something else happened today that makes it, I think, even more imminent. But what I'm getting at is that I was looking for confirmation that Donald Trump's defense attorney went to the prosecutors and gave a presentation. Any ethical and responsible prosecutor will provide that opportunity and, frankly, any competent defense attorney will take advantage of it because it is something that occurs frequently. Additionally, the meeting has already taken place, according to the New York Times. The significance of that lies, in my opinion, in the event that Alvin Bragg makes a decision at that point and there is nothing left after the grand jury presentation. Sincerely speaking, that might even be Wednesday. Just to raise everyone's awareness. Hold it, please. Lawrence O'Donnell, host of MSNBC, clarified, "I have to change my schedule here." Weissmann explained that the grand jury could vote on whether or not to proceed with indictments following the appearance and conclusion of the final witness. However, he did mention that Cohen will be testifying in the afternoon. Therefore, the grand jury could simply adjourn for the day, returning on March 20th. "You absolutely have the right to do that if this were a federal court," Weissmann stated. "Do I believe that they would do that after the prosecutors have had a chance to meet with the grand jurors, answer any questions they may have, go over the law, and present the proposed charges? Do I believe that it will occur on Wednesday? No, especially considering that I recently learned that he will be appearing in the afternoon. I believe that Monday is the next day to sit. Being a global leader entails risk. Only 4 American presidents have been shot to death while in office in more than 2 centuries, beginning with President Abraham Lincoln's death in 1865. Donald Trump, the 45th Commander-in-Chief of the United States, clearly survived his time in the White House, serving from 2016 to 2020. There were a few endeavors on his life, however, including 3 during his organization and 2 while an official competitor, albeit one ended up being a deception. Maybe obviously, the divider. Despite what his public persona suggests, Trump in the White House 2017 to 2021 asserts that Trump was concerned about attacks on his life. According to the book, Trump told several of his Florida friends at a cocktail party that he was afraid Iran would try to assassinate him, so he had to go back to Washington where he would be safe.